Hey guys, Matthew Gilliland with Cape Fear Customs. Just wanted to give you a project update on Anthony Pearson's Jeep YJ. If you've been following along on our social media, you know that he has owned this vehicle since it was brand new in 1994, and he has entrusted us, Cape Fear Customs / Linex of Wilmington, with completely restoring the vehicle. So the first steps that we did was we removed every single nut and bolt out of the vehicle. Everything has been disassembled, down to the seatbelt clips, everything. So we have then taken the frame and the tub to coastal sandblasting, where Travis sandblasted these things to perfection for us. As you can see, we have the frame done, the inside of the tub, and the bottom side of the tub. We opted not to sandblast the outside of the tub because the Ultra that we're going to be spraying onto the tub is going to be color matched, and it's a thinner product, so it would show a lot more grooves and stuff from the sandblasting. So my guys have already done the cavity spray on the inside of this frame. So these access holes that are inside the frame, a cavity wand has gone down it and sprayed the Value Guard cavity spray inside the frame. So the inside of the frame is protected. So as you can see, guys, we have completely stripped the inside of this Jeep. Every single nut and bolt hole has a golf tee or some type of plug to make sure that the Linex doesn't fill in the threads. We also did a little bit of a body repair on the backside from where Anthony backed into a light pole, he said, in the 90s. And then we also put in a little seam sealer in some areas. Now the next step is we're going to spray the frame with XS 350, which is a 300% stronger product from Linex. That same 350 coating is going to be applied to the inside of the tub as well as the bottom side of the tub. And after that cures, then we will be mixing up red color matched Ultra, which will then be applied to the outside of the Jeep, the firewall, and the fender wells. Thank you for tuning in. We look forward to keeping you updated on this project, and drop us a question in the comment section below.